Hey guys, welcome to another video here on the Aviation Pro channel. In this video I'll give you an example of the new trim sounds I made for the PMDG Boeing 737. You can find this new sound file on FSIM. I've uploaded on FSIM, and here are a few examples of the trim sounds. I hope you like it and download it, and if you have any comments you can always contact me. Thanks for watching this video here on the Aviation Pro channel. I hope you download the file and you like it. You can expect the level D FMC tutorial tomorrow. There was a bit of delay because I was a bit busy. So stay tuned for tomorrow and see you next time.